morning and dear students. Today we are going to revise laws of exponent and laws of radical. Okay, first we start laws of exponent. Exponents. Laws of exponents. We have already studied about laws of the exponent in previous classes, but here I am going to tell some rules like a to the power m into a to the power n. If base is same and multiply it, then result will be a m plus n. It means if only we have to add the power. So a to the power m divided by a to the power n. A to the power m divided by a to the power n. It means a to the power m minus n. We have to subtract the power in the case of division if the base is the same. Now a to the power m to the power n. It means we have to multiply power to power m into n. Suppose power p, once again it means this will be mnp. All the powers will be multiplied each other, m into n into p. Some laws also like a to the power ab to the power m. Suppose there are two factors of any number and power is same, then we can write a to the power m into b to the power m. Like suppose 2 into 3, 2 into 3 to the power m. It means 2 to the power m into 3 to the power m. We have to take different number with the same power. We have to take different number but with same power. Now next, like a to the power m into a to the power m. A to the power m into a to the power m. Here base is same, so we can write it a to the power m plus n. Power will be added. Means 2 to the power 5 like into 2 to the power 6. Base is same, then we have to add the power only. 2 to the power 5 plus 6 is equal to 2 to the power 11. Now suppose 2 to the power 6 upon 2 to the power 7. Division case, base is the same, base is the 2, power is different. It means the power will be subtracted to each other. Power of numerator minus power of denominator. Power of numerator minus power of denominator. 2 to the power 6 minus 7 is equal to 2 to the power minus 1. We can write it, this is the answer, or we can write it 2 to the power minus 1 means 1 by 2. Now take another case. Laws of radical. Radical means surd. We can write also here surds. Laws of surds. Suppose root 2. We can say square root of 2. And here 2 is the hidden. Here 2 is the hidden. It means square of root 2. Suppose this is cube root of 2. Why? Because here power is the 3. So we can say this is the cube root of 2. We can write it when we remove the surd. We can write it 2 to the power 1 by 2. 2 to the power 1 by 3. Suppose 4 root 2. It means 2 to the power 1 by 4. 2 to the power 1 by 4. Don't confuse in this case. Power should be 3. It doesn't mean 3 into root 2 is equal to 2 to the power 1 by 3. No, 3 should be here. 3 should be here. Then we write 2 to the power 1 by 3. Now, suppose another root AB. Root AB, we can write it root A into root B. If the power is same, we can write root A into root B, or we can write root A into root B is equal to root A into B. When we need the root A into root B is equal to root AB, so we can write it root A into root B is equal to root A into B. Now, exercise 1.6 NCERT. We are going to explain exercise 1.6 from NCERT. Question 1. Like, find 64 power 1 by 2. Find 64 power 1 by 2. I have already explained 64. I have already explained the root A is equal to A to the power 1 by 2. It means we can write also A to the power 1 by 2 is equal to root A. A to the power 1 by 2 is equal to root A. We can write it also root 64, and root 64 means 8. There are also second method. This is the first method to solve this question. Second method. Here is the denominator is 2. So think such type of the number whose power is 64. 64 to the power 1 by 2. So think such type of the number whose power is the 2, because here denominator is the 2. It means we can write it 8 square power 1 by 2. Now power to the power. Power to the power means power will be multiplied. 8 to the power 2 into 1 by 2. 2 to cancel. Only 8. Only 8. Another question. Another question. Like 32 to the power 1 by 5. This is the question number 1, second part. 32 to the power 1 by 5. Now, think such type of the number whose power 5 is equal to 32. Think such type of the number whose power is 32. Why? Because here denominator is the 5. So this type of the number 2 whose power 5 is equal to 32 and power 1 by 5. Now power to the power means we have to multiply 5 into 1 by 5. 5 cancel. 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2. This is the answer. Now another type of the question, like question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2, 9 to the power 3 by 2. Denominator is 2. First you have to check the denominator. Denominator is 2. Now think such type of the number whose power is 2 equal to 9. Think such type of the number. आपको तुम्हें ऐसा नंबर सोचना है जिसका पावर 2 करने पे 9 आ जाए. तो such type of the number is 3 whose power is 2 equal to 9 power 3 by 2. Multiply power into power. 2 into 3 by 2. 2 to cancel. Remaining part 3 to the power 3. 3 to the power 3. It means 27. Another question. Question 2, fourth part. Like 16 to the power 3 by 4. ऐसा नंबर सोचिए जिसका पावर 4 करने पर 16 आ जाए. तो 2 to the power 4 upon 3 by 4. Power into power. 4 into 3 by 4. 4 cancel. We get 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8. This is the answer. Now, another type of the question, minus case, like question number 2, fourth part, 125 power minus 1 by 3. Denominator is 3. Think subtract of the number whose power 3 equal to 125, and this type of the number is 5. 5 to the power 3 is equal to 125. Now minus 1 by 3. Power into power, multiply it. 3 into minus 1 by 3. 3 cancel. Remaining part 5 to the power minus 1. 5 to the power minus 1. We can write it 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Now, question number 3rd. Question number 3rd. Question number 3rd. 2 to the power 2 by 3. 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 5. Here base is the same. Base is the same. It means power will be added to each other. Base is same. It means power will be added to each other. So 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 2 to the power, take LCM, 15. This will be 10 and this will be 3. It means we can write 13 upon 15. Another type, second part, question number 3, second part. Question number 3, second part, 1 by 3 to the power 3 and power 7. Log of exponent is saying is if p by q power n, it means we can write it numerator to the power upon denominator to the power. Numerator to the power upon denominator to the power. Means in the case of the fraction, if the power is anything, we can separate it numerator to the power upon denominator to the power. In this case, numerator to the power upon denominator to the power. Denominator is 3 to the power 3, power 7. Now 1 to the power 7 means 1, and power into power means multiplied. 3 into 7 is equal to 1 by 8, 3 to the power 21. Very simple question. This very simple question. You have to only understand the concept of the log of the radical and log of the exponent. You can solve easily this type of the questions. Now, another question, and this is the last question. Suppose fourth part, question 3, fourth part, 7 to the power 1 by 2, 8 to the power 1 by 2. Power is same. Now power is same, it means we have to multiply base. 7 into 8 to the power 1 by 2, and we can write it 56 to the power 1 by 2. Another type of the question, like third part, 11 to the power 1 by 2 upon 11 to the power 1 by 4. Subtract it, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. We can write it 4, 2 minus 1 is equal to 11 to the power 1 by 4. That's it.